gotta look it up. It's something I would never use. Let me stop being so negative. Hello my lovely flowers, it's me Nia with Xquisite Floral Design and Events, and today we are here doing a store flower bouquet. So from the local grocery store I bought this bouquet for $30. I personally would have bought it for $30, but my husband, I told him just go pick up something, and he did. So we did our tic-tac-toe. You guys know about the tic-tac-toe water, and we're going to now take our lovely packet of Floralife that came with our arrangement, and we are just going to pour it all in here. So I'm going to cut it open and pour it in there. Okay, so now it's all in there. It's beautiful. So what we're going to do is take this arrangement. I'm looking at the flowers that they have in it. I'm like, what is this? I don't even know what this is, but I gotta look it up. It's something I would never use. Let me stop being so negative. So I'm going to cut it. And I think I'm going to, you know what, let's put that in last. So I'm going to take these roses, and we're just going to do like a dome look. So I'm going to start from the top, and I'm just going to put this in the middle, and then I'm going to go more to the side, but put them kind of lower. So we got those on lower. Then in the center part, I'm going to again, oh, I kind of cut this a little too low. Wow, I shouldn't have done that. So, oh, I guess he got 12 roses. 12 rose pack. Okay, we gonna use all 12 of these roses, my friends. Oh, I've been just saying that all day today. I've been calling everybody my friend, my friend. I do not know why I've been doing that. Okay, let's see. Let's put one right here, and I think I'm gonna put one right here. Okay, so we got that in there. I'm going to take this. I think I'm going to stick that. Not liking it. Okay, let's put in the delphiniums. I think it's 3 of them, so we're just going to kind of scooch, scooch, scooch. 1, 2, and 3. Then I'm not sure what this is. It's some type of pod. I'm not sure what type of pod this is, but I'll have to look it up. I'm going to kind of stick those in some of the spots. I'm going to stick it kind of low. If anybody is married and you send your husband to the grocery store, and I said just pick something that has a lot of different blooms. I told him to go to Trader Joe's at first, but he didn't go. He was like, oh, they have some at they have some stuff at Stater Brothers. I go to Stater Brothers. This right here. He could have got an arrangement already made for $30. Okay, so this Queens and Lace. Let's just stick. I'm trying to think. It looked like a. Oh, wait. Okay, I have to pull from something else. I'm sorry, you guys. I know I was trying to make an arrangement that came directly from, but it's just not. I don't even know what this is. I gotta look it up. I'm trying to smell it to see what flower it is, but so I have ruscus. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Just put it in the 3 corners. And then I had some silver. This is silver dollar, but I'll just put the silver dollar. Here. Now I'm just gonna pull some. I want it to look more like a dome shape, so I'm gonna try to pull and then go from there. So I only have one perspective of this, and it probably wasn't a good one. But anyway, here is our beautiful arrangement. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick and easy. 6 minutes. I'm so fast. I'll see you guys next time, and have a wonderful day. Bye.